A low Earth orbit satellite is a type of satellite that orbits the Earth at relatively low altitudes, typically between 160 to 2,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface. LEO satellites have several advantages, including lower latency, which means faster data transmission, and they require less power for communication compared to satellites in higher orbits. Due to their lower altitude, LEO satellites have shorter orbital periods, usually ranging from around 90 minutes to a few hours. This allows them to provide more frequent coverage of specific areas on the Earth's surface. LEO satellites are commonly used for various purposes, including telecommunications, Earth observation, scientific research, and satellite internet services. Companies like SpaceX, OneWeb, and Amazon are actively deploying large constellations of LEO satellites to provide global internet coverage.